We're here with Jim Etherington. He's the president of Northern Affordable Quality Housing, Inc. Jim, can you tell us a little bit about Northern Affordable Quality Housing? What's it all about? What are your goals and your mission?
I've always been interested in housing, but even more so with the situation, the housing crisis in the First Nations. But I don't restrict myself to the First Nations communities. Municipalities are an interest of mine as well. But just the thought of having better quality housing, durable housing, healthier housing, and so on. So no mold, no things. To a degree, fire resistant as well. That's important to me as well. I think of the 24 fire deaths in 2014 in the First Nation community of just over 300 in Northwestern Ontario. So that kind of sticks out to me. So I like to address that, not only for as a business, but there's a place in my heart for people. So that's when I went ahead and I researched for the best product I could find for the last 13 years. I'm looking for something. Started out as a hobby, no longer a hobby for me. It's a business, and still, it's close to my heart. So,
can you give us some examples of where your housing has been used?
Okay, manufacturing plant is in Winkler, Manitoba. Therefore, it would have started in northern Manitoba. We have model homes right at the plant in collaboration with Manitoba First Nation, Barron River First Nation. Then there's going a little further north in Nunavut. They have units up there which are quite cold, and durability is being proven there. And so I brought the concept to Ontario, and I got Quebec as well. I'm just introducing it and promoting it these days, and it's we're so used to wood, and a lot of people don't want to change. But I believe in change, and I believe that old ways never opens new doors and better opportunities. So that's why I look for this. I believe that this system that I'm doing, or these systems, are a good part of the answer to our housing crisis.
Now, I noticed just by looking at some of the photographs that there's a lot of color in the houses you use. It seems to be an attempt to sort of individualize the houses as opposed to the old approach, the old ATCO, if I can use that name, the old ATCO approach, which has its purpose.
Well,
can you tell me the story behind that? Why do you have such diversity in the shapes, the colors?
Well, to me, the client is the first priority is the client.
Yeah.
And whatever they want, the design, the color, that's what they get. So I just supply the material, the system, but they're the most important person. The client is the most important person.
So what's in store for the future? What plans do you have?
Okay, I've been approached by some government programs and wanting to get something on, not just in the community, but actually have a manufacturing plant right in Ontario. So I even aim to improve on the product, that it is a good product, but I have a few things on the go, such as my friend from research and so on.
Right.
I want to make sure it's a good product. And somebody asked me, is there something wrong with this? Is there and I won't mention it this time until I have my friend over here. So I'm tweaking it as we go along. So.
You do a lot of product testing. You want to make sure that it meets all the standards.
Yeah.
How much, because you're dealing with northern climates, how much does the weather, the climate impact this type of housing?
See you later. It's the type of housing that we have is R40, and we're working even more to get to R50 and so on. So, and we want to make sure that it's suitable for the northern climate. It's already been done in Nunavut, so and we're a bit warmer than Nunavut. We want to make sure that they get the quality, it's durable, and it's energy efficiency, So I really believe in this product.
Well, it sounds like you've got a great thing going here, and the best of luck with you in the future. And please keep us informed of what developments you have. We'd like to continue reporting on it.
Thank you very much for your interest in our product.
That's great. Bye-bye now. You have a great day.
Same to you.